Right, we just want to check this t-shirt out. How to build a rocket. Is that what you're doing? Let's have a look. R equals m squared plus a squared over f plus 2.
1, 2, 3.
Take it. Well, 3, 2, 1. Take off. Ha ha. What a fab rocket. Okay. We're having a rocket day, just in case we hadn't.
And would you like to see mine?
And we're going to go and measure how far...
Would you like to see my rocket?
Our rocket darts.
Would you like to see my rocket?
Go. What do we have, guys? Rocket darts. I'll be back. Let me go get the tape measure. Feet on the bricks. Toes behind the bricks, not on the grass, okay? So you're going to stand here. And you are going to launch your rocket dart as far as it will go. Wow. Good work, Jaime. Those babies. Right, next. Jaime, to start with, don't move. Take the end of the tape measure, please. Okay. And we will zoom to your rocket ship. Down to the ground. Onto the grass. To the ground. Yeah. Jaime, you are 335. 3 meters and 35, or 335 centimeters. We will explain that. Right, yeah, now we need this to go in, don't we? And then we'll measure yours, Emanoel. Help baby, please, Jaime. Sorry, I'm not going to call you baby anymore. Emanoel, move him over a little bit. He's setting where you were standing.
Hello, move.
Move? Right, help him put the tape measure in the right place.
On the grass.
On the grass, just right at the end of the grass. And here we go. Emanoel, you are hang on, 150 in red. Oh, hang on, 160. Look,
Yeah!
1 meter and 60,
Let's do it
160
again.
centimeters. Are we
Let's
doing
do
it again? Right.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a good one by Jaime. Feet behind the line, please, Emanoel. And all right.
What's
Okay.
It, oh, I know. It is a tie.
Well, I think you might want to measure them. You might get a surprise. You never know. Jaime,
Okay, I'll just play one.
hold the end for me. Oh, we're measuring you first this time, Emanoel. Okay. Right. So down to the ground, baby. And we have a 212.
Yeah!
Jaime, you take the end. Go to where you were standing. Ah. Right, Emanoel, down to the rocket ship. Jaime, you've moved. Jaime, you've let go. Try again. Right. Here we are. What was the Emanoel's? A 212. Well, Jaime, you've made a 200. Hang on. Keep moving. Okay. Right. So 245. 245. So in actual fact, yours was. Your rocket travelled more or less.
Oh.
Okay, so we say your rocket travelled than Emanoel's.
Father.
Brilliant stuff! You're so clever!
What?
Jaime's rocket travelled further than
And
Emanoel's.
now, let's have a play and a rocket race.
A rocket race?
Jaime.
You're making me dizzy. And Frog. I wonder if you can throw those things high, high, high in the sky, sky, sky. Like upwards. What happens? Hang on.
It goes like.
Whee! And again, Emanoel.
Mom.
Yeah. That's not up, is it? That's across. That's travelling distance rather than up in the air. Height.
3, 2,
Okay.
1. Blast off.
Woo! There's rockets flying everywhere. That was wow. That was really high, Jaime. you okay? Sorry, I should laugh. Are you okay, Emanoel?
No, what's there?
Yeah. Wow. I think the wind's blowing them as well now. Whee! 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 Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going very soon. Oh no, it didn't, did it?
Yes.
It did.
Come on.
Jaime's rocket has gone over the wall.
No, get it.
Let's go out the back door, guys. And we're not on the main road. Wow, they are going higher and higher at the moment. Jaime has it over there, Emanoel. Down the side of the summer house. I can see it.
Right. Hi, children.
Hi, children. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends. Watch this. It goes super high.
How high is it going to go? Woo! It was so high I didn't see how high it went. Okay, here we go. That one wasn't quite as high. Oops. Emanoel.
Oh, I just saw it do a flip.
Wow, that was a good one.
I done this flip.
Okay, so we are seeing how high.
Mine.
Whose rocket is going the highest?
Wow.
Kind of
Did you
difficult
see
to
that?
measure, isn't it?
Did you see that, friends and kids on telly? That means...
What are you doing, Emanoel? Way, that was a good one. That was up and over the washing line. Wait, ooh, crikey! If I had my hands free, I would have caught that one, Emanoel. Right, let's see if I can get it back to you, baby. Can you catch?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, nearly straight through your legs. Wow.
Hi, kids on telly. Hi, friends. Hi, kids. Well, watch this. Let's see if this can go even higher. All the way into space.
Wow, all the way up there. Okay. Well, hang on. You need
Oh,
it.
it's in space.
What about a bit of a blast off?
Okay.
Ready? Song first. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Then what's it? If you fancy a trip, climb aboard our rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. 10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5, 6,
5.
4,
Start again. 10,
10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
let's go!
off! Ah, Emanoel, what's happening, sweetheart? You're building. Wow, that looks like a great rocket launcher. Mind they don't fall on your toes. That could really out.
People, don't you laugh at me because this will be a bit funny. This will be a funny joke.
Go on then.
Why did me and the bush cross the road?
I don't know. Why did you and the bush cross the road?
Because they laughed.
Because they laughed. Everybody at home is really laughing now. Say, we want to hear your jokes. Comment below with a joke for Jaime.
Please like this video and subscribe.
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 Wave.
Bye.
Bye.